This little $17 gadget is the coolest thing I've seen all year, essentially being a smart AI companion with ChatGPT or Gemini in a tiny pocketable box, but with this really unique feature of having customizable AI character voices, including voice cloning, so you can choose to speak to, let's say, Spider-Man.
What's swinging on your agenda today?
With a quick 10-second voice cloning. It's the aipi-lite from our sponsor Xorigin, and it's not only one of the funnest little gadgets I've gotten to play with, but it's also been useful to me here at the office for researching facts and specs about Apple's products for our video scripts, or even for my own locksmithing business when I'm out doing a job and need to quickly get a model number for an ignition key blank that I've got to cut on a 20-year-old car. So in this video, I'm gonna go through all of the cool features and things you can do with this, starting with the unboxing, the setup, and how to get the most out of this $17 gadget, which by the way is a perfect gift for your kids. But first, I already know what you're thinking. Ooh, I can do all of these things already on my phone. But the cool thing about the aipi-lite is that it's unlike other AI companion devices that didn't work in the past. This one's only 17 bucks, so it's the price of a couple of coffees. And the idea here is that you have a standalone device for all of your AI needs, allowing you to keep your phone in your pocket without interrupting what you're doing, like playing games, listening to podcasts, or watching YouTube videos. It's completely standalone, so it won't stop your smartphone workflow, and it's very capable for only 17 bucks. So with that said, let's jump into the unboxing and setup. When you first order it on their website or in Amazon, make sure to get a battery for it so you can use it hands-free, and it's only 9 bucks, so it's not expensive at all. The first box comes with the aipi-lite with this really simple and user-friendly design, a small display, and 2 buttons on the bottom, one to power it on and the other to activate the AI assistant. We also get speakers built in that get pretty loud. The second box comes with the battery that snaps into the back with magnets, making for an instant connection. Other than that, we have the user manual, setup instructions, but I'll show you all of that right now. When I first turned it on, it was searching for a Wi-Fi network, and the first thing you have to do is connect to a Wi-Fi device in order for it to communicate with your phone and its Wi-Fi connection. Then you enter the password for the Wi-Fi network you want it to connect to, and after all of that, it successfully connected, and now I can go to a computer to finish the setup. It had a firmware update, so make sure your device is updated for the best user experience. After that, I went to bind the device with the provided code on the display. Then, the first thing I wanted to check was the voices we have built in. I clicked the configure character and bam! You can do so much here, like selecting the language. Currently, there's only about 3: Chinese, English, and Spanish. You can also select the AI model you want to use, like Xorigin, Gemini Thinking Mode, Assure, GPT 4.1, and Amazon Bedrock Thinking Mode. It's pretty impressive how many AI models you can get built in. On top of that, you can choose from 39 different voices and even some movie characters, like from the movie Inside Out, like joy, envy, anger, fear, disgust, and sadness. Even some characters from the Marvel comic series, like Captain America. Then you can add character descriptions so you can customize how it responds to you and make it more interesting by giving you certain nicknames, or even make it critical, honest, and direct. This is really cool, and I love this feature. Now, I mentioned earlier that you can create your own voice by simply replicating a 30-second audio clip, and then that will be your voice you hear every time you turn it on. This is pretty cool. It does take about 24 hours for them to confirm all of this, just to make sure. Other than that, it's very simple to use by either clicking on the right button or simply saying computer, and it instantly starts listening to your prompt. And I love that you can say computer, since it reminds me of old movies that have programs that speak back, which is pretty cool.
Old movies really had a unique charm, didn't they? The way they portrayed technology was both nostalgic and visionary.
And before we end the video, since we have so many features like voice replication and customizable AI agents, it's clearly not free and requires a subscription to make all of that happen. And if you think that your phone can do all of this for free, well, you can't, because any free AI applications have a maximum number of prompts you can use in a single day and limit the prompt responses like not giving you what you were looking for. And those apps also require you to purchase a subscription to use the full LLM's potential. And even then, you can't have a custom voice like you have on the aipi-lite. So yeah, this thing is pretty lit. Let me know your thoughts on the X-Origin aipi-lite and if this would be something useful for you to be productive or have a personalized AI agent to talk with. I'll have all of the links for you in the video description or the pinned comment below for you to make the purchase. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe above or watch another video over there. I'm Ben, and we'll see you in the next one.